Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another forex analysis video. In this video, I'm going to share 10 pairs that you can trade for forex. So let's get started. As you can see, this is Euro CAD. This is the 4-hour time frame of Euro CAD, and as you can see, it is giving a breakout on a 200 EMA. So once what we can do is we can draw a neckline over here, and as you can see, it has formed double bottom pattern, right? So once it gives a breakout, a long entry can definitely be taken. You can wait for a retest either, or you can also take a entry over here and put your stop loss below this swing. For target, you can hold till here. See, target totally depends on as long as you can hold it. This can be the first target and this one as the second target. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have Euro GBP. Euro GBP, as you can see, it was respecting a trend line. It has given a breakout and it's also sustained above this horizontal level, right? It gave a breakout of 200 EMA. It has come down for a retest and it's going back up again. So once, as you can see, we have a small level over here, right? So once it sustains above this level, a long entry can definitely be taken, and this level can be considered as the first target and this as the second target. See, targets totally depends on how as long as you can hold it. This is forex market, so the market is open 24/7. So this is it for Euro GBP. Moving on to the next one, we have GBP and Swiss franc. As you can see, it is on 200 EM on 4 hours time frame. So what you can do is you can just wait for it to break down. Once it breaks down this level, a short entry can be taken. If you are a very safe trader, you can wait for a retest and you can consider this level as your first target, and you can consider this level as your final target. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have Swiss franc and CAD, Canadian dollars. Let me just check. Okay, we can make a zone over here, right? We have a zone. So what you can do is you can wait for it to break the 200 EM and sustain above this level. Once it sustains above this level, a long entry can definitely be taken, and you can consider this level as your target. Okay, and if you can hold it further, no, this is okay, and this also, if you can hold it till there, very good. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have New Zealand dollars and CAD. Okay, again I can see a level over here. Right, so once it breaks this level and sustains above 200 EMA, you can wait for a retest. Once the retest is done, you can take an entry. You can consider this level as your first target and this level as your final target. Okay, moving on to the next one, again we have New Zealand dollars and JPY. Okay, as you can see, it has been forming a pattern over here. It took it, this is first bottom, second bottom, third bottom. You can consider this as triple bottom pattern. So once it sustains above 200 EML, long entry can definitely be taken. You can consider this level as your final target. Just in case you can't hold it till here, what you can do is you can consider this level as your first target. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have GBP and New Zealand dollars. Okay, I again see a support level over here. Okay, so once it breaks down this level and sustains below 200 EM, a short trade can definitely be taken. This level can be considered as the first target, this as the second target, and this level as the final target. Moving on to the next one, we have GBP CAD over here. Okay, it went up, it came down, and then it is again sustained over 200 EMA, and it has been consolidating in this range. So what we can do is we can wait for it to break above this level. Once it breaks above this level, a long entry can be taken, and we can consider this level as a target. Just in case it doesn't sustain above, we can wait for it to break down this level. Once it sustains below this level, a short entry can be taken, and you can consider this level as your first target and this level as your final target. Moving on to the next one, we have Euro USD. Okay, it has already given a breakout of 200 EMA. Now what you can do is, this is 30 minutes time frame. Okay, just in case I missed out on the time frame, what you can do is you can just check the time frame over here. See, these are all 30 minutes. Okay, so yeah, what you can do is you can just wait for it to break the trend line. Once it breaks and sustains above the trend line, what you can do is you can take a long trade and you can hold it till here. Just in case it doesn't sustain, it takes a resistance and closes below 200 EMA, short trade can be taken, and you can consider this level as your first target and this level as your second target. Okay, The next one is GBP and Australian dollars. Okay, I do see a level over here. Right, we have a horizontal level over here. So what you can do is you can just wait for it to sustain below this level. Once it closes below this level, of course you can take a short trade, and you can consider this level as your target. I have quickly made this video because I'm in a rush, honestly. So this is it for the video. Also, yesterday I have shared a analysis video on stock market. The market is closed today due to it, so you can trade it tomorrow. I'll put it in the I button, or you'll get it in the end screen at the end. So this is it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.